Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clone Hero on Mac. First, you'll need to download the game client specifically for Mac OS from the official Clone Hero website. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for smooth gameplay. Then, connect your compatible guitar controller, such as a wired or wireless Guitar Hero or Rock Band peripheral, to your Mac using a USB port or adapter. This ensures everything is ready for installation. Once downloaded, simply drag the Clone Hero application file into your Applications folder. Then, open the game from there. The first time you launch it, your Mac might ask for permission to open an application from an unidentified developer. Just approve it in System Settings. You can then adjust basic settings like resolution and audio output to your preference before diving in. A huge part of Clone Hero is playing custom songs. To add them, find the Songs folder inside your Clone Hero application directory. You can download song packs and individual tracks from various community websites. Once downloaded, extract the song files, which are usually in a zipped format, directly into this Songs folder. The game will automatically scan for new content when you launch it. With songs loaded, navigate the in-game menu using your guitar controller or keyboard to select a track and start playing. You can customize various gameplay settings, such as note speed, highway appearance, and even controller calibration, to enhance your experience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different difficulty levels. Practice is key to mastering your favorite songs and improving your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.